For thousands of years, humanity has harvested wheat by hand. But a new era is beginning.
Artificial intelligence now watches over every square meter of farmland, predicting yields with remarkable precision. From satellites to sensors beneath the soil, every grain of wheat has become part of a connected ecosystem. High above our planet, satellites scan the land, measuring moisture, temperature, and plant health. Powerful neural networks transform raw data into decisions that will feed billions. Even beneath the surface, intelligent systems monitor the invisible rhythms of nature. Every morning, fleets of drones begin their silent patrol across the countryside. Advanced imaging systems can determine the perfect harvest window with extraordinary accuracy. Color-coded intelligence transforms the landscape into a living map of productivity.
Beyond the horizon, the machines stand ready for one of humanity's oldest traditions. Tomorrow's harvest will not be driven by muscle, but by intelligence.
High above our planet, satellites scan the land, measuring moisture, temperature, and plant health. Connected through intelligent networks, every harvester acts as part of a single coordinated system. Modern harvesting systems maximize yield while minimizing waste at every stage. Artificial intelligence continuously adjusts every parameter to optimize performance. These machines are designed not only to work, but to care for themselves. Continuous operation ensures that every second of daylight is used efficiently.
Advanced navigation systems create the most efficient path through an ever-changing landscape.
A second layer of intelligence watches over the machines themselves.
Every decision is informed by millions of data points gathered in real time. As the day progresses, the harvest continues with tireless consistency. This is only the beginning of a transformation that will redefine agriculture forever. Long before the next harvest begins, intelligent eyes return to the sky.
Every flight gathers millions of measurements invisible to the human eye.
Artificial intelligence transforms farmland into a living database of biological activity.
On the ground, robotic scouts inspect every meter with unwavering attention.
What once required days of laboratory testing can now be completed in seconds.
Every flight gathers millions of measurements invisible to the human eye.
Working together, these machines behave less like tools and more like a collective intelligence.
Heat, moisture, and time converge to determine the perfect moment to harvest.
Nature remains unpredictable, but intelligence allows humanity to prepare like never before. Within moments, an entire agricultural network adapts to a changing world. Together, they form the nervous system of tomorrow's farms. The age of intelligent machines has arrived on the world's farmlands. Every movement is calculated with extraordinary precision. Each harvester processes more information in a minute than entire farms once gathered in a season. Connected intelligence allows dozens of machines to operate as one.
Even maintenance has become autonomous. Millions of kernels are inspected before they ever leave the field.
Artificial intelligence enables these giants to adapt to every challenge beneath their wheels. Unlike their human predecessors, these machines never tire and never sleep. Guided by satellites and powered by intelligence, the harvest continues through the night.
For the first time in history, humanity can observe the global harvest as it unfolds in real time. This is not merely a machine. It is the future of food production. For the first time, robots and machines work together as partners in the harvest.
Equipped with artificial intelligence, these robotic workers can perceive the world with extraordinary clarity. Their touch is gentle enough to handle a single grain, yet strong enough to endure the harshest environments. Not all robots are built alike. Each is designed for a specific role within the agricultural ecosystem. Downtime, once inevitable, is becoming a relic of the past. Every robot is connected to a central intelligence that sees the farm as a single living system.
Together, they ensure that almost nothing is left behind.
In this new era, technology does not replace humanity. It amplifies its capabilities.
Even when the harvest slows, intelligent guardians remain vigilant. Powered by renewable energy, tomorrow's farms may become entirely self-sustaining. Together, they represent a future where intelligence, automation, and nature exist in harmony. Once harvested, the journey of wheat has only just begun. Advanced navigation systems allow multiple machines to work together with astonishing precision. Every kernel begins a carefully orchestrated journey through an intelligent supply chain. Tomorrow's transportation networks will be as intelligent as the farms they serve. Artificial intelligence continuously optimizes every route to maximize efficiency and reduce emissions.
In even the most challenging terrain, intelligent machines ensure that no harvest is left behind.
At every stage, automation preserves both quality and efficiency.
The destination of every shipment is determined by a constantly evolving understanding of the world.
From farms to cities, intelligent transportation connects continents in ways once thought impossible. The harvest of one nation may soon become the nourishment of another. In a connected world, every harvest becomes part of a global story. Before wheat reaches the world, it must first prove its quality.
Modern vision systems can identify defects at a speed beyond human capability.
Every grain is evaluated against standards refined by decades of agricultural science.
In less than a second, artificial intelligence can make decisions that once required entire teams of inspectors.
Quality is no longer measured in samples, but across entire harvests in real time.
Within minutes, machines reveal the hidden composition of every shipment.
When anomalies appear, intelligent systems respond instantly and without hesitation.
Every movement is mirrored in a virtual world designed to optimize the real one.
The destination of every shipment is determined by a constantly evolving understanding of the world. Trust in the modern supply chain is built not only on quality,
but on transparency.
In the future, every grain of wheat will carry with it a complete history of its journey.
After inspection, the harvest enters one of the most advanced storage systems ever created. Every movement inside the warehouse is choreographed by artificial intelligence.
Intelligent storage ensures that quality is preserved long after the harvest is complete.
In the future, warehouses will think, adapt, and optimize themselves. Automation has transformed packaging into an art of speed, precision, and sustainability. Every package is inspected before it begins its journey around the world.
Each shipment is already connected to a global logistics network. Sustainability is no longer an ambition. It is becoming an engineering requirement. While the world sleeps, intelligent systems continue their work without pause. The final stage of preparation is completed with extraordinary efficiency. From a single field to the far corners of the earth, the journey of wheat continues. Every harvest begins a journey that spans nations and connects billions of lives.
Modern transportation allows food to move farther and faster than at any point in human history.
At the edge of the sea, intelligent ports have become gateways between civilizations.
Artificial intelligence now guides shipments across some of the most challenging environments on Earth.
For the first time, humanity can witness the movement of its food supply on a planetary scale.
Every package is directed by a constantly evolving understanding of human needs.
The final kilometers of the journey may be the most important of all.
Though cultures may differ, the harvest continues to unite humanity through food.
Resilience has become an essential ingredient in the future of food security. The movement never stops, because neither does humanity's need to eat. What began as a single grain has become part of a story shared by the entire world. As humanity looks toward the future, agriculture is evolving beyond the limits of the present. Tomorrow's cities will no longer exist apart from nature, but alongside it. Artificial intelligence may one day allow crops to thrive in places once considered impossible.
The technologies developed on Earth may eventually accompany humanity to other worlds. In the centuries ahead, food production could become an interplanetary endeavor. Intelligence, connected across worlds, ensures that no community is left without nourishment.
Technology and life need not compete. They can evolve together.
The ultimate purpose of every innovation is not the machine itself, but the people it serves. The future will belong to those who inherit both the wisdom of nature and the power of intelligence. From the first seed planted by human hands to the intelligent harvests of tomorrow, our story has always been one of adaptation.
And so, the journey of a single grain of wheat reminds us that the future is not something we await, it is something we create.